Hi ladies, my name is Denise. I am Irma's assistant and I'm going to show you how to use the Facebook group for the Bones Tribe. This is my home page right here, and over here where you see the circle, I'm going to try to show you where my cursor is at all times. Over here you're going to see the word shortcuts, and to the right of that is the word edit. So we're going to click edit. And then we're going to type in the word Bones Tribe. Yours is going to say sorted automatically, and you want to change it to pin to the top. And then click save right here. And what this is going to do is it's going to put Bones Tribe up towards the top. I'm in a lot of groups, so it's not going to do it for me, but it will for you. So we're going to type in Bones Tribe just to get there. So this is the Bones Tribe group, and on the left is discussion, which is where we're at. So we can post something. Thank you, Irma, for all the vitamin K resources. I have osteoporosis also, just so you know, this week. The more you type text on a post, it reaches a certain character count, and then the text will get small. And I'll show you that in a minute. There it goes. So it's either going to be big or small, just so you know that's just a Facebook thing. Right here, you can either add a photo or video there, or you can add a photo or a video here. So I'm going to click add a photo, and I am going to let me navigate to Irma's folder, and I will get a picture of Skelly for us to use. I like the picture of Skelly on a rock, but that's pretty big, so we're going to pick Skelly with a phone. So that adds the Skelly with the phone picture. I can tag somebody up here and say, Vicky Sarnoff, what do you think? And then down here, I could say with Irma Jennings. I'm hitting the tab key. So here's my cursor right here. I'm hitting the tab key. When I type somebody's name, like I can type Janice, and you'll see how it's there. And I just hit the tab key, and it fills it in for me. And then right here is where you can post it. So that's the post that we just did. You can write a comment right here. So my cursor's right here in this. You can add, if you want to add an emoji or a GIF, you can add that. And then I just hit return. Oops. Yeah. So when somebody posts a comment, you can hit reply and say, that was a great comment. And again, you can post emoji or a picture or whatever, and just hit return. And then this is another comment. Like, that's how you start a new thread of comments. You can edit a post as long as you posted it. You can edit a post or edit a comment. So I can edit this comment or I can delete it. Like right here, I can delete my reply. And it's going to ask me if I'm sure. And right here, I can edit it. Just click at the end. Okay, and then I just hit return again. So I just want to show you because I forgot to. So that's where that all is. Same thing with a post. If you scroll back up, like my cursor's up here, it's just these three dots. And then you can, edit post or delete the post or edit topics. I'm not sure what edit topics is, to be honest with you. Okay, on the very left-hand side in the upper right-hand corner, this is where all the different options that you have for the group. The About section tells you what this group is. And in the About section is where you can find the documents with many of the recipes that Irma has added for Mouthwatering Monday. So there's this file. And just, I want to go back here for a second. You have to hit more, because if you don't, you won't get the whole link, and you'll get an error when it tries to open the new page. So over here are all the different recipes. I actually happen to have a sweet potato, so we're going to click on sweet potato rounds, or not. There we go. And that is going to open up the recipe. So from there, you can, if you notice my cursor is in the upper right-hand corner here, this is the download button, so you can click download, and we're going to navigate to where we want that to go. All right, so I'm going to download that recipe right here, recipes sweet potato rounds. So I'm in Chrome, the Google Chrome browser, and I'm on a PC. So here you can just see, like it'll show in the folder, and you can find the PDF, and it's right here. And down here, just so you know, that's where I found it. That doesn't happen necessarily in other browsers. From there, you can also print it. If you see my cursor's in the upper right-hand corner, so you can print it. You can print, like here's my printer. There's black and white. I can also print in color. And then you just click print. And this one's 2 pages. So I don't want to print the second page because there's nothing on it. So I can always like hit this button and just say 1. I have tahini, I have miso, I have everything. I don't have scallions, but I have onions, so I could do that. Anyhow, so that's how you print that. So that's how we get to the recipes, and that's the About section. Members is everybody that's a member of the group. You can click on anybody and find out more about them. I am going to click on Vicky. So this tells me who our mutual friends are, and these are posts that see group posts. These are posts that Vicky has posted into the Bones Tribe. She's a chef, so we're going to have to try this cauliflower recipe because it looks fun. So these are all the posts that Vicky has posted. And I'm going to hit the escape key in the upper left-hand corner of my keyboard, and that's going to get rid of that for me. So that's the discussion, that's member, the events. So Irma did a radio interview with Dr. Christiana Northrup last year. So you can click on that, and that's going to bring you to the Facebook page about that. And so it was hosted by Dr. Lanny Simpson, so that Irma just wanted this resource for you, and you'll always have access to this resource as long as you're a member of the Bones Tribe. You still have access afterwards. So you click here, and I think you actually have to sign up you can listen now, but you have to sign in. But it looks like a good interview, so you might want to do that. And then to get back to the Bones Tribe, I would either just hit the back button in the upper left-hand corner over here, or I would just type in Bones Tribe and just click there. Yeah, well, I go very fast. I'm really sorry. So we're back to the discussion now. So that was the events. Photos, we added this photo of Skelly. So anytime you do a post and you add a photo, this is where it's going to be. Files. These are all the files that Irma or somebody else has uploaded. And the way you upload a file is you click upload a file, which is over here in the upper right-hand side. You click choose a file, and we are going to add that sweet potato rounds recipe, if I can find it. There it is, right there. So I'm just going to click that, and that brings it right here. And then I'm going to click the open button right here. And then I'm going to click the save button right here. There we go. So now that recipe was uploaded into the file section. You're not going to have the manage group because I'm an admin. So now if you want to tag people in here, so right here, if you look on the left-hand side, right under this, it's going to be under files for you, but there's a search box. So I can search on a person and see everything they've posted or where they've been tagged by Irma. Irma's done a lot of tagging, but Janice also posted a group. I can search for myself to see what I posted. So I had a question about snacks, and Irma has tagged me, and then I asked Irma about a program in Australia. That was a while ago. So that's it. And then if you have a keyword that you want to search on, like vitamin K is very important to osteoporosis. So these are all the different posts that have been about vitamin K. Now what's interesting is I know that Irma, this is not full, like fail-proof, because I know Irma just posted there's vitamin K2. I'm not sure why this one didn't show up in that search. Maybe because it wasn't vitamin K2. So if I say vitamin K2, so I will show you a quick little trick. Now it shows up, but if I just did vitamin K, it doesn't. So there's little quirks to it is all I'm saying. So a little trick I do, I go back to discussion and I will just scroll down quite a few pages. I'm using my mouse. Now I'm using the page down button on my keyboard. And if you hit, it's Control F, and you can type in vitamin K. I'm up here on my keyboard. I hit Control F, and then this little box. Now I'm in Chrome. In other browsers, it's someplace else, but it's Control F on a PC, and I believe it's Command F on a Mac. But this box will show up somewhere, and I type in vitamin K. Now I get vitamin K2, and if you see this little down arrow over here, it shows the next. It'll find all vitamin Ks. Well, 7 of them, and it tells you, if you look right here, you can see in the upper right-hand corner, you can see where what number it's at. Just another little trick to know for searching. In the search bar, you can also search up here. Like I can search Vicki Sarnoff recipe. So she posted yum, like these are, looks delish. So these are posts that she's done with, I think they're different recipes. I was just trying to guess what to post. But it also shows up Irma because the recipes Irma's as posted because Vicki is tagged in this. So that's another way you can search also. Now you have to get back to Bones Tribe. So right here is where I click Bones Tribe. And in case I forgot to tell you, this is the search bar, is up here in the upper left-hand corner. I showed you the files, I showed you recipes, print and download. Messaging, if you have any questions, feel free to message me on Facebook. I want to show you one other thing first. So this world icon up here in the upper right-hand corner, when somebody is tagged, it will show there. So when Irma tags you, for instance, we scroll down like right here, Irma's tagged me and 17 others in a post in the Bones Tribe. So if somebody tags you specifically, you can click there and you can see the actual post. And then this is up in, next to that, next to the world icon in the upper right-hand corner is the little speech bubble with a tilde in it. So you click that and you can right here is new message. So just type my name, and I'm going to type Irma because this is a test. And yes, this is the 4th time I've done this video. But I get it. I'll get a notification on my phone, and when I log into Facebook, there'll be a little number next to this to say that I have a message. So I'll see it, and I should get back to you, within a couple of hours at most. So I'm not on Facebook. I am on Facebook at least once or twice a day. Some days, I'm on more. Okay. I think that's it. Again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thanks very much.